Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Brett Bond over at Toyota Bountiful, and in front of us I have the 2018 Camry. Now this is the XLE. It is available in the L, the LE, the XLE, and the XSE. The interior is completely restyled and it's totally different. You're going to be getting InTune 3.0 for your operating system, so it's kind of a different setup. Even in the most basic model, you're going to be getting your lane departure assist and radar cruise control. Some pretty cool safety features that you have to pay for in a lot of other makes. You'll notice when you hop in and you grab the steering wheel, it's a brand new steering wheel. It kind of has the Lexus feel. Kind of has that luxurious feel, and that's what Toyota is going for, you know, without paying the Lexus price tag. In this XLE, you're going to be getting heated seats. Even if it doesn't have it here at Toyota Bountiful, we can install heated seats for $7.99 as well. In the new 18 Camry, you are going to be getting a little bit more trunk space, and as you can see, you're going to have a tremendous amount of space, as well as you can lay those seats down, whether you need to put skis or snowboards or whatever you need to haul around, you can. This is the brand new 2018 Camry, and my name is Brett Bond at Toyota Bountiful. Come and see me and take one for a spin, guys.